Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on NUBIA Focus Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store and then click on search bar. Now you have to type in Turbo VPN and then click search. Now you have to select this application and click install. And here you have to click open. Now click on agree and continue. Then you have to close this ad, click allow, and click consent. Now click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Then you have to close this ad, and as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Germany. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.